Early morning in Mespo. The air was still cool, and the dew hadn't yet dried from the broad banana leaves. Denzel had just finished boxing the last set of green bananas, clean, stickered, and ready for tongue. Waiting for the van was almost a ritual. Loud music, waving hands, and the scramble for a good seat. Tyreek only came for the ride to the junction. Denzel was heading all the way to town. The ride from Mespo to Kingstown could twist your belly if you weren't used to it. But Denzel had done this trip many times. Banana business don't wait. By the time Denzel stepped off the van, tongue was already in full swing. Kingstown never sleep. You could smell fish frying, hear vendors shouting, and feel the sun beating down like it had a point to prove. No trip to town was complete without a stop by the fish market. Denzel picked up some fish for later. Mama Lou go want something special for dinner. You again? I go start charging you rent. Denzel responded, long as the fish fresh, I ain't moving. The main reason for the trip, banana delivery. Paperwork had to be just right. This was business, and it kept Mespo folks going. After all the running wrong, it was time to cool down. A cold drink, a moment in the shade, and time to think. Tongue days were loud, but sometimes if you found the right spot, you'd remember why it all felt magical as a child. The ride back was quieter, sun setting behind him, belly full, errands done, another tongue day, and a story to bring back with the groceries. Tongue done, but life, real life, still sweet right here in the countryside. Like what you see? Like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What island should we visit next? Or tell us your favorite tongue day memory. We just might bring it to life.